This is the much awaited part 2 of this series of videos on parallel and perpendicular. The question this time obviously concerns perpendicular, which is helpfully written in red. We need to find the equation of a line perpendicular to y equals 3x minus 5, which passes through the point A, as indicated on the diagram. A couple of things then. One key concept is, how do we find a line perpendicular to the one that we're given? Well, we take the gradient of the one that we're given, which is 3. A perpendicular line, if you remember, the pattern is that we flip the fraction upside down and change the sign. So this 3 is effectively 3 over 1, if we think of it as a fraction. And so the gradient of our perpendicular line is going to be 1 over 3, flipping it round, and negative. So the equation of any perpendicular line to y equals 3x minus 5, which we'll highlight in green again, the equation of any perpendicular line will look something like y equals minus 1/3 x plus c for some number c. Clearly now, again, we need to work out what c is, and we're going to do that by using the information that we've not yet used. Hopefully you've noticed that that is the fact that the line passes through the point A. We're not quite sure of the coordinates of A at the moment, but with a little thought, you should realise that if the x-coordinate's minus 3 and it lies on the x-axis, then the y-coordinate must be 0 there. So, going forward from there, again, this point, which I'll highlight in green, minus 3, 0, must obey the rule of the line. So that when I divide it by 3 and make it negative and add some number c, I get y. Again, basically it tells us to substitute. So that we have minus 1/3 of x, minus 1/3 times minus 3, add this number c, and it should give me y, which is 0. 0 here. Final thing then, multiply these out, minus times a minus is a plus, 3 times a third is 1, so it's just 1 add c equals 0. And from there, it's quite easy to see there that c is minus 1. So your final answer, let's take this bit over here. Hopefully you'll set yours out better than mine. It's y equals minus 1/3 x minus 1. There you go.